Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Legally Speaking Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing getting evidence excluded. As you all know, the Charter serves as a safeguard for individual rights and plays a crucial role in maintaining Canada's status as a free and democratic nation. Specifically, Section 24(2) of the Charter. This section places a significant obligation on state authorities, including police officers, to uphold the rights of individuals. This section also allows for the exclusion of evidence obtained improperly if its use would compromise the fairness of a trial. So joining us today is counsel Taryn Paul Dhaliwal to explore the implications of Section 24(2) and its impact on the Canadian legal system. So Taryn, can you maybe explain to us what does it mean to exclude evidence?
Sure. So when it comes to excluding evidence, this is governed by the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Section 24(2) is the section of the Charter that allows evidence to be excluded. There's a number of considerations when it comes to excluding evidence, and the analysis essentially is based on the Supreme Court of Canada's 2009 decision in Grant. Essentially, what the Supreme Court decided to do was have a three-step analysis and an ultimate balancing of these three considerations. So the Grant analysis first considers number one, the seriousness of the Charter infringing state conduct. Number two, the Supreme Court considers the impact of the breach on the Charter protected interests of the accused. And number three, the Supreme Court considers society's interest in adjudicating the case on the merits.
Okay, thank you. So, can you give us some examples of rights that can be infringed by the state or the police?
Oftentimes, in my experience, rights that are infringed include arbitrary detention, so Section 9, also Section 10B, which is your right to counsel, and not just any counsel, but counsel of choice.
What is the result should evidence be excluded in a criminal case? What happens next?
So, for example, in a DUI case where there's an individual charged with having an excess blood alcohol concentration, if you're able to successfully argue that the breath test evidence was obtained in a manner the state conduct infringed the rights of an individual, you can apply under Section 24(2) to have that evidence excluded. For example, if there's an individual who was pulled over by the police and that individual wanted to contact, for example, a third party, perhaps the accused wanted to contact a parent or a friend, someone who had the number of a lawyer, and if that individual was denied that opportunity despite making that explicit request to the police, that individual can argue that his Section 10B rights were infringed. If the judge is of the opinion, after weighing the three Grant factors, that the evidence should be excluded, that evidence would essentially be tossed out, leaving the court with no further evidence of having an excess blood alcohol concentration. So in short, excluding evidence could win the day in many circumstances.
Thank you, Taryn, for explaining to our viewers about another important weapon in the criminal lawyer's arsenal and when they are dealing with DUI charges. So, how would clients get in touch with you?
So the best way to get in touch with me is by going online to our website, fightthecharges.com.
Thank you, Taryn. And thank you, everyone else, for joining us today for at the Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.